Okay, so this is outside of the car right now. I checked everything. I even checked to see if it was blown coolant seals, because I know when you take the cap off the radiator, turn it over and see if coolant ejects itself. So no blown coolant seals. All the fuses are good. Everything's plugged in. I'm charging the battery right now. I put a rag over it because I parked it weird when I parked it, but everything's plugged in right, as far as I can tell. It just sounds really strange. I don't know what noise, if any, but it's not like a bad noise. It's just an odd noise. I've never had it make this kind of noise when I turn it over. Like, usually it sounds like other videos I've seen, but you know, it's just being stupid. So here we go. So, as you can see, I don't know, it just sounds like the starter's being weird. Like, I'll have to watch the video again, but if anyone could help me out, like, the worst case scenario, it's a blown engine, oh well. Best case scenario, it's just something really stupid that I overlooked. Let's just hope for the best, I guess.